Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this stylized dragon fire, but I don't have dragon. And I'll create it from scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's. I don't have any dragon available, but I downloaded this Mixamo animation. So I have this mutant roaring. I'll put the fire in his mouth, and it has transparent material. So let's make this opaque first. Okay, and I'll create a new level and fog, and I'll drag that animation here. Okay, so we have this animation and this is animating. So if I zoom that, cool. So now I'll need to make stylized fire for that. So material and fire, and in this one I'll take uh, translucent, unlit, two-sided, my favorite texture, aura. Then I'll take